How to make KakaoTalk account. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will guide you through the steps on how you can make a KakaoTalk account, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now, if you would like to make a KakaoTalk account, it's actually quite very simple to do. So all you have to do is first, make sure you download the KakaoTalk application from your respective app store and then go ahead and then open it up. Once you launch the KakaoTalk app, you're going to see this type of interface where it will ask you for these permissions, which is to your files, phones and contacts. So tap on accept button and make sure to allow all the permission because you might have issue later on. Now you can see it will ask us to log in, but we're trying to create a new account. Here you can see the sign up button instead of login. So you want to tap the sign up option here, agree to all the terms and conditions over here, and then just tap the agree and continue option. It will ask us to enter a phone number, so make sure that you also have access to this phone number and that you are logged in with it on your account, and then tap the OK option. You'll receive a verification code to this phone number, so tap the OK option. And now the verification code thing has actually changed a little bit. Previously we used to get verification code on our devices, but to avoid bot verification, now KakaoTalk will make us send a message to KakaoTalk so that we can receive an automated verification code. So I will tap the send verification message option. Now directly make sure that it is the correct number from which you are sending the messages in case you are using a dual SIM. Hit the arrow icon that you can find here, and then after you do that, you will receive a verification code on your device right on this particular page. And once you have done that, over here you can see you should be able to receive verification code. Once you receive the verification code, you can come back to this page, tap on the check verification option, and then it is still in progress. Once its verification has been completed, your KakaoTalk account will get successfully completed and created. This way you can make a KakaoTalk account. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.